Pasha, and today in this session we'll solve the problems of exercise 6.5 of algebraic expression sign identities. Students, in this exercise we'll solve the problems using standard identities. Okay, so here these are some of the standard identities, that is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next, a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square, and the last one is what? X plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so we will be using these standard identities to solve the problems in the exercise 6.5. Students, let us solve the problems from first main. Okay, so what they have given: use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. Students, here in this main what we need to do? So we need to find the product of some of the polynomials using the suitable identity. Okay, now let us solve the first one. What they have given: x plus 3 into x plus 3. Okay, so now what we need to do? We need to find the product of this one using identity. So here, first of all, write this one as it is: x plus 3 into x plus 3. Okay, kind of this. Students, just look at here, it is same, no? So here also x plus 3 and here also x plus 3. So further you can write this as x plus 3 whole square. Okay, so here same, no? X plus 3 into x plus 3. So you can write this one as x plus 3 whole square. Now look at here, it is similar to a plus b whole square. Okay, now we will solve this using the identity, that is a plus b whole square. What is the identity? A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, students, so this is that identity. So now we will solve this using the identity. Now look at here, students. Okay, so here a plus b whole square is what? It resembles x plus 3 whole square. Now compare this one to this one. Okay, now in place of a what is there? X. Okay, so here a is equals to x. In place of a what is there? X. And in place of b what is there? 3. In place of b what is there? 3. Okay, in place of a, x is there. In place of b, 3 is there. Okay, now so what is the formula of a plus b whole square? The formula of a plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now so we'll substitute these values according to the formula. Now here, look at here, a plus b whole square is what? First a square, and what is meant by a here? X. It means x square. Okay, a square means x square. We can write whole square. Okay, now next plus next 2 into ab, that is 2 into ab. What is a? X into, and b, what is b? 3. b is what? 3. Next plus. Okay, plus b square is there. Okay, b square. What is b? 3. If b is 3 means we will write 3 square. Why? Because b square. Now students, x square is what? X only, plus 2 3s are 6 into x will be 6x, plus 3 square means 3 3s are 9. Okay, so the solution of this problem, that is x plus 3 whole square, is what? X square plus 6x plus 9. Students, now let us solve second question. Okay, so what they have given: 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. Now write this one as it is, that is 2y plus 5, kind of this, into 2y plus 5. Students, both are same, no? 2y plus 5, 2y plus 5. So we can write this one as 2y plus 5 whole square. Okay, we can write this one as 2y plus y whole square. Y whole square Why? Because 2 times. Okay. Now it is also of the form a plus b whole square. So look at here, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will compute this one with this. So in place of a, okay, in place of a, what is there? 2i. So write 2i. Next, in place of b, pi is there. In place of b, pi is there. Okay. Now we'll substitute these according to the formula. Next, a square. Okay. So here a means what? 2i. So we will write this one 2i whole square. If there is variable and number. Okay. So whenever a term consists of a combination of variable and number, and if you are having square on that, then you need to put whole square. Okay. So you should not write like this. You should not write like this. Okay. So it is wrong. Instead, what you need to do? You should write whole square. You should write whole square whenever number with the variable is there. Okay. Students, a square means 2i whole square plus 2ab, that is 2 into a means what? 2i into b means, look at there, 5. Okay. Plus b square, that is 5 square. Now 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Y square means what? Like this. Y into y will be y square. Next, plus 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. And here y is there. So write y plus 5 square means 25. Okay. So this will be the solution for second problem. Students, now let's solve third question. Okay. So what they have given? 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. Okay. So here minus is there. So this we can write as 2a minus 7 into 2 minus 7. Okay, so this we can write as 2a minus 7 whole square. Why whole square? Because 2 times. If it is like this, 2 into 2, then what will write? 2 times, no? 2 square. If it is like this, okay, so 3 into 3, that is 3 2 times. In the same way, so 2 times, no? So we are writing square. Okay, students, it is of the form a minus b whole square. Okay, so look at here. It is of the form a minus b whole square. That is, a minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now, we will compute this one with this. So, what is there in place of a? Okay. So, in place of a, what is there? 2a. So, write 2a. Next, in place of b, what is there? 7. In place of b, 7 is there. Okay. Now, well, according to the formula, a square, a means what? 2a, that is 2a square. Next, according to the formula, minus 2 into a, what is a? A means 2a, into b, what is b? 7, plus b square, that is 7 square. Okay, so a square minus 2 into a, what is a? 2a into b, that is 7, plus b square, that is 7 square. Okay, now 2 2s are 4, a into a will be a square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Next here a is there plus 49. Okay, so 7 square is what? 7 7s are 49. So this is the solution of third question. Students, now let's solve fourth question. Okay, so what they have given? 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this we have written here as it is. As I told you, so here 2 times is there, no? So we will write square. That is 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, now it is also of the form a minus b whole square. And in place of a, what is there? 3a is there. Okay, so in place of a, 3a is there. Next, in place of b, what is there? 1 by 2 is there. Okay, in place of b, 1 by 2 is there. Now we'll put these values in the formula. Okay, a square. So what is a? 3a. That is 3a whole square. Next, minus 2 into, what is next? A. Okay, so here a is what? 3a into, what is next? b. So what is b? 1 by 2. Next, plus b square. What is b? That is 1 by 2, no? So square this, so write square. Okay, now 3 square means 3 3s are 9. A square means a into a is what? A square minus 2 3s are 6 into a 6a, and here 1 by 2 is there. Okay, into 1 by 2 plus, so 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. So this, students, 6 is nothing but 6 into a. So we can cancel this. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now we can write further as 9a square minus 3 1s are 3, and here is a plus 1 by 4. Okay, so this is a solution for fourth problem. Students, now let's solve fifth question. Okay, so what they have given? 1.m minus 0.4 into 1.m plus 0.4. Okay, students, so look at here, same is there, but one side minus and one side plus is there. Okay, so whatever it may be, so if it is here minus, next plus, or first plus, next minus. Okay, so just look at these expressions, then you will come to know that it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so it is of the form what? A plus b into a minus b. And what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. Okay, now just write here 1.m minus 0.4, 1.m plus 0.4, okay, equals to a plus b into a minus b. So just don't confuse, sir, here in this formula first plus is there, next minus is there, but here first minus is there, next plus is there. Just don't confuse. Okay, so whatever it may be, you can get first minus, next plus, or first plus, next minus. Okay, overall in general it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Now here just look at here, in place of a what is there? In place of a 1.1 m is there. In place of a 1.1 m is there, and in place of b what is there? 0.4. Okay, so in place of b what is there? 0.4. Now students, so what you can write? So look at the formula. A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. That is a square. What is a here? 1.1 m. 1.m m whole square. Why? Because why whole square? Because a square. Next, minus b square. What is b? 0.4. B is what? 0.4. Now students, 1.1 whole square is what? 1.21. So when you multiply 1.1 with 1.1, you are getting answer as 1.21. Okay, so because of this I had written here directly. Now m square. Okay, m square. First we need to square number, next variable. Okay, next minus 0.4 whole square. So when you square it, so what you are getting? You are getting 0.16. Okay, so this will be the answer for this question. Now let's solve sixth question. Okay, so what they have given? A square plus b square into minus a square plus b square. Okay, so we can rewrite this. Okay, so here a square plus b square, a square plus b square, and this one we can rewrite as b square minus a square. Okay, so a square minus a square plus b square can be written as b square minus a square. Now students, so look at here. Here b square minus a square is there, and here a square plus b square is there. So you can rewrite this and you can convert this into a plus b into a minus b form. Okay, now b square Same now. Whether 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3, what you are getting? You are getting same answer as 7. Okay. So we can add 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3. So in the same way, whether we can take a square plus b square or b square plus a square, both are same. Now here b square plus a square. Next b square minus a square. Okay. Now students, just look at here. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So just don't confuse. So here squares are there, and it is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Just don't confuse. So here it is one side plus, one side minus. Both the terms are same. Okay, just you understood. So it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Now in place of a, what is there? B square is there. Okay, don't confuse. In place of a, b square is there, and in place of b, just look at the formula. In place of b, a square is there. Okay, in place of b, a square is there. Now we'll put these values in the formula. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. So according to the formula, a square. So what is a? B square. So this is a. Okay, this is a. Just look at here. A means what? B square. This is a, and what we have to write? A square. A square. Okay, so we will write here square. Don't confuse, sir. You have written b square here. Again, why you are writing square? Just don't confuse. B square means itself a. Next, minus a square. Okay, just look at here. A square minus b square. Now, in place of b, what is there? A square is there. So here, if b is what? A square. B is what? A square. Then b square is what? A square whole square. Okay. Now b, 2 2s are 4. Next, minus, and here a, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So what is the solution of this problem? That is b to the power 4 minus a to the power 4. Students, let us solve 7th question. Okay. So what they have given? 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. Okay. Just look at this carefully, students. So it is also of the form, that is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so here 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. It is also of the form a plus b into a minus b. Now, okay, so in place of a, what is there? 6x is there. In place of a, 6x is there, and in place of b, what is there? Okay, 7. In place of b, 7 is there. In place of a, 6x is there, and in place of b, 7 is there. Now a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so what is the formula? A square minus b square. A square, what is a? 6x. If a is 6x, means a square means what? 6x whole square. Next, minus. Next is what? B square. What is b? 7. If b is 7, means b square is what? 7 square. Okay, now 6 6 are 36. 6 square means 6 6 are 36, and x square is what? X square. Next, minus 7 7s are 49. Okay, so this is the solution of 7th problem. Students, now let us solve 8th question. Okay, so here what they have given? Minus a plus c into minus a plus c. Okay, just look at this carefully, students. Okay, so we'll rewrite this. That is c minus a and c minus a. We can write like this now. So here plus is there. Okay, so c minus a, c minus a. Now just look at this. So 2 times c minus a and c minus a. So we can write like this now. C minus a whole square. Okay, so we can write like this. It is of the form a minus b whole square. Now, so look at that. A minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now, in place of a, what is there? C is there. In place of a, c is there. And in place of b, a is there. In place of b, a is there. Okay, now according to the formula, a square. A means what? C. A square means what? C square. Okay, a means C. A square means C square. Next, minus 2 into AB. A is what? C. Next, what is B? A. Plus B square. What is B? A. B square means A square. Okay, so here C square minus 2 into CA means what? AC you can write, or you can write CA plus A square. Okay, so this is the solution for the 8th problem. So now let's solve 9th question. Okay, so here what they have given, x by 2 plus 3y by 4 into x by 2 plus 3y by 4. Okay, so it is same now. So x by 2 plus 3y by 4 into, okay, x by 2 plus 3y by 4. Students, look at here, same no? So it is of the form a plus b whole square. Okay, so it is of the form a plus b whole square. Okay, now compute this one with the formula. So in place of a, what is there? X by 2. Okay, in place of a, what is there? X by 2. Next, in place of b, what is that? 3y by 4. In place of b, what is that? 3y by 4. Okay, so in place of b, 3y by 4 is there. Now we'll put these values of a and b in the formula. Okay, next, what is there? A square is there. So what is meant by a? X by 2. If a is x by 2 means a square is what? X by 2 whole square. Okay, next, plus 2 into a. What is a? X by 2 into b. What is b? 3y by 4 plus b square. What is b? 3y by 4. Okay, so if b is 3y by 4 means b square is what? 3y by 4 whole square. Okay, now students, x into x will be x square. Next, 2 2s are 4. So this is applicable to both. Okay, numerator as well as denominator. Next, plus. So this you can cancel. 2 1s are 2 1s are. Okay, you can cancel this. Now 1 3s are 3. X into y will be xy. And here 1 4s are 4. So divided by 4 is there. Next, plus. So 3 3s are 9. And y square will come divided by 4 4s are 16. Okay, so this will be the solution of 9th problem. Students, now let's solve 10th question. Okay, so what they given? 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b. 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b. Okay, so same now. So if same means we can write 2 times 7a minus 9b. Okay, now it is of the form a minus b whole square. Now just look at here, compute this one with this. In place of a, okay, in place of a, what is that? 7a. In place of b, what is that? 9b. In place of b, what is that? 9b is there. Okay, now just according to the formula, just put the values. Okay, so a square, if a is what? 7a. If a is 7a, then a square is what? 7a whole square. Next, minus 2ab, that is 2 into what is a? 7a into what is b? 9b plus b square. If b is 9b means then b square will be 9b whole square. Okay, next, 7 7s are 49. 49 and a square minus, next, 2 7s are 14. 14 9s are 126. Next, a into b will be ab plus 9 9s are 81 and b square. Okay, so this will be the solution of 10th problem. It is not a solve the problems from second way. So what they given? Use the identity, that is x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Find the point for x. Okay. So here students, they have given some of the expressions, and what we need to do, we need to find the product of these expressions using the given identity. So okay. So which identity they have given here? X plus a into x plus b. This is the identity that we have to use in this section. Okay. Now let us solve the first one. So what they have given? X plus 3 into x plus 7. Okay. So write it once again. Now students, compare this one with this. Okay. Now look at here. In place of x, what is that? X only is there, no? So in place of x, x only is there. Now in place of a, what is there? 3. First bracket a. Okay. So a, in place of a, what is there? 3 is there. Next, in place of b. In place of b, what is there? 7. In place of b, 7 is it. Okay. Now according to the formula, so what is that first in the formula? X square. Okay. So here x means x only. X means x only. X square means x square. Okay. Next, what is in the formula? Plus. Next, bracket a plus b. So here a is 3 and b is 7. Okay. That is 3 plus 7. Bracket close. Into x. And what is x? X is what? X only. X is what? X only. Okay. Next, look at here. Plus. Plus a into b. A is 3, b is 7. That is 3 into 7. Now, x square plus 3 plus 7 is what? 10 into x plus 3 7s are 21. Okay, so here x square plus 10 into x will be 10x plus 21. Okay, so this will be the solution of first problem. Students, now let us solve second question. Okay, so what they have given? 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Okay, now rewrite it. 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1 equals to, okay, compute this one with this. Okay, now look at the formula carefully. First x is there. Okay, so in these two brackets, first x only is there, first x term. Next, in one bracket a and another bracket b is there. Now look at here. In place of x, what is there? 4x is there. Okay, in place of x, 4x is there. Now in place of a, 5 is there. Okay, in place of a, 5 is there, and in place of b, 1. In place of b, 1 is there. Okay, now according to the formula, okay, x square. So this is of the form x plus a into x plus b. Okay, now x square. If x means what? 4x. X means 4x. X square means 4x whole square. Okay, so as I told you, whenever you will get a combination of numbers and variables, then you need to put whole square. Okay, next, plus bracket a plus b is there. Here a is what? 5 plus b is what? 1 into x is there. What is x? X means 4x. Okay, plus ab is there. Okay, so look at the formula. ab. A is what? 5. AB means a into b. Okay, and a is 5 and b is 1. Now, as I told you students, so if it is like whole square, it means that you need to square 4 and you need to square x. Okay, so don't confuse. If it is whole square means you need to square this number as well as variable. Okay, now look at here. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16, and here x square. Okay, plus 5 plus 1 will be 6. 5 plus 1 will be 6, and here 4x. Okay, now 5 ones are 5 equals to 16 x square plus 6 4s are 24 x plus 5. Okay, so this will be the solution of second problem. Now students, let us solve third question. Okay, so what is the given? 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. Okay, so this is also the form x plus a into x plus b. So write it once again. 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1 equals to. Now look at here students, compute this one with the formula. In place of x, what is there? 4x is there. Okay, so in place of x, 4x is there. Next, in place of a, what is there? Minus 5. And in place of b, minus 1 is there. Okay, so in place of b, minus 1 is there. Now students, now we need to put these values in the formula. X square. What is x? 4x. If x is 4x means x square is what? 4x whole square plus, okay, a plus b. Now here a means minus 5. A means minus 5. Okay, next a means minus 5. Next is what is there? Plus is there. Okay, so plus. Again b means what? Minus 1. And as we are getting here negative number, we need to put in bracket. Okay, why we have put one more bracket? Because here there is a negative number. Okay, into what is there? X is there. A plus b. This is a. This is a plus b. Okay, now into x is there. X is what? 4x plus a into b. That is minus 5 into minus 1. Okay, so whenever you will come across negative numbers, so put them in brackets. So a into b means minus 5 into minus 1. Okay, as I told you, 4x whole square means 4 4s are 16. 4 2 times. Next, x square plus, okay, so here minus 5. Now look at your students. So as I told you, so if there's a bracket means, so there will be multiplication operation. Here plus, here in bracket minus is there. So plus into minus will be minus 1, bracket close, 4x plus. Okay, now minus into minus will be plus only is there. Okay, so minus into minus will be plus. Next, 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Now 16x square. Now students, look at here. Minus 5 minus 1 will be minus 6. Okay. Next, 4x plus 5. Now 16x square. Okay. Plus into minus will be minus. Plus into minus will be minus. 6 4s are 24 into x plus 5. Okay, so this will be the solution for third problem. So now let's solve fourth question. Okay, so what they given? 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. Okay, so write it once again. 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1 equals to. Now compute this with that formula. Okay, now in place of x, what is there? 4x is there. Okay, in place of x, 4x is there. In place of a, okay, so in place of a, what is there? 5 is there. In place of a, 5 is there. Next, in place of b, minus 1. In place of b, minus 1 is there. Okay, now we'll put these values in the formula. What is the formula? X square. X means 4x. X square means 4x whole square. Okay, plus bracket a plus b. A means 5 plus, okay, a plus b. A means 5. Next plus, what is b? Minus 1. So here negative number came, no? So put that in bracket. Okay, bracket close. Next, into x. What is x? 4x. Okay, so this is x square plus a plus b. This is a plus this is b into x. X means 4x. Okay, now plus a into b. Okay, so here A into B is what? A is 5 and B is minus 1. Okay, now 4 4s are 16 x square plus, okay, 5 plus into minus will be minus 1. Now write here 4x. Okay, so write plus. Next, plus into minus. So here plus is there, no? So plus into minus will be minus 5 ones are 5. Plus into minus will be minus 5 ones are 5. Now 16 x square plus 4. 5 minus 1 will be 4. 5 minus 1 will be 4, and here 4x is there. Okay, now again here bracket, no? As I told you, negative numbers comes means you have to write in bracket, and again here bracket. So plus into minus will be minus, and here what is there? 5 is there. Okay, next 16 x square plus 4 4s are 16 x. Next, minus. This will be the solution of fourth problem. Students, now let us solve sixth question. Okay, so here I haven't solved fifth question, that you can solve on your own. Okay, now let us solve sixth question. So what they have given? 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. Okay, so write it once again. 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. Okay, now look at here, compute this with the given identity. Okay, so in place of x, what is there? 2a square. In place of x, 2a square is there. Next, in place of a, 9 is there, and in place of b, 5 is there. In place of a, 9, and in place of b, 5. Okay, now according to the formula, x square. X means what? X means 2a square. X means 2a square. X square means 2a square whole square. Next plus, next a plus b. Okay, so here a means 9 plus b means 5 into x. X means 2a square. Just put this one in bracket also. So because here square is there. Plus a into b. Okay, so a means 9, b means 5. Okay, now so look at here, students. 2a square whole square means, so you need to square 2 as well as you need to square a square also. Okay, so here 2a square whole square means you need to square 2 and you need to square a square also. Okay, so this will be 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Next, so here a to the power, here also 2 2s are 4. Okay, so a to the power 4. 4 a to the power 4 plus 9 plus 5 will be 14. 9 plus 5 will be 14 into 2a square plus 9 5s are 45. Okay, next 4 a to the power 4 plus 14 2s are 28 a square plus 45. Okay, so this will be the solution of sixth problem. Now students, let us solve seventh question. Okay, so what they have given? xyz minus 4, xyz minus 2. Okay, so write it once again. xyz minus 4, xyz minus 2. Okay, next, compute this one with the given identity. Okay, now according to the formula, x square. X means what? xyz. X means xyz. X square means xyz whole square plus bracket a plus b. A is what? Minus 4 plus, and what is b? Minus 2 bracket close into x is there. What is x? X, y, z plus a into b, that is minus 4 into minus 2. Okay, now look at here, students. So whenever like this comes, whole square means, then you need to square it. Next you need to square y. Next you need to square z. Okay, whenever like this situations comes, you need to square all the variables. Okay, now look at here, x square, y square, and z square. Okay, now plus is there and bracket minus 4, plus into minus will be minus 2. Okay, next x, y, z plus bracket minus into minus will be plus 4 2s are 8. Okay, so here x square, y square, z square plus bracket minus 4 minus 2 will be minus 6 into x, y, z. Okay, plus into plus will be plus 8. So here x square, y square, z square plus into minus will be minus 6xy z plus 8. Okay, so this will be the solution of 7th problem.